Welcome to my channel everyone, and to my subscribers, nice to have you back. Springtime has arrived here in the UK. My Weber Q is out of winter mothballs, and today I'm unboxing my newest accessory, the Q Griddle. I'll tell you exactly what I think about it, and I'll also be doing a bit of cooking to see how it performs. So what's in the box? Just the griddle plate and instructions. This is a rather expensive chunk of cast iron. It's porcelain enamel coated to prevent rust and give a superior cooking surface. The instructions warn not to use two griddles side by side and restrict the airflow to the burners. Not to use cooking oil on the griddle, which can catch fire with extreme heat. Just lightly oil the food to be cooked. Just do not drop it, as it will break. There are also instructions on cleaning and care, and how best to look after the griddle. Many other YouTube channels featuring the Weber Q recommend that you season the griddle before use. This involves painting it with sunflower or vegetable oil, getting it very hot and letting it cool completely. I checked Weber's website for clarification, and they state that the grates are porcelain enamel coated and do not need seasoning. Well, this griddle is also porcelain enamel coated, so I decided to skip that process. I'm following the instructions and washing the griddle in warm soapy water and then drying it off with some kitchen towel. To fit, simply remove the existing grate and the griddle slots into place. This one is made to fit the Q3200. Other sizes to fit the Q range are available. One slight disappointment. I use the warming rack quite a lot. With the griddle in place, it does not fit particularly well. I think it would be nice to have a smaller warming rack which just fits the one grate. So, if you're watching this, Weber, there's a thought. Okay, let's get this thing hot and see how it cooks. With the lid closed, I'm getting it really hot. As you can see, some discoloration has taken place. I'll just turn the heat down for this first cook. I'm making some bacon and mushroom sandwiches. Just listen to that sizzle. I'm surprised. It's a bit of a squeeze to get 5 rashers of bacon on here and leave room for the mushrooms. I have cooked bacon on the grates in the past. If I was cooking much more, I would cook the bacon on the grate and the mushrooms on the griddle. I really wished you could smell this. For me, there's nothing better than the smell of bacon cooking in the open air. Keep the mushrooms turning to cook them evenly. It's time to turn over. I did fear the bacon would stick and I would have difficulty turning the rashers. As you can see, no problem. I've put a couple of slices of bread on the grate, as I like it toasted. The boss, well, she doesn't. The mushrooms are doing nicely and the bacon's almost there. So now to put the sandwiches together. A couple of slices of bacon, plus a generous helping of mushrooms, and another slice of bread. And that's the first one. And now for my sandwich. The bread's only lightly toasted, but as I can't wait to get my teeth into this sandwich, it will have to do. Three slices of bacon, an extra one for the cook, and the rest of the mushrooms. Just look at that. There's one thing missing. You can't have a bacon sarnie without ketchup. This griddle opens up a whole new world of recipes that I can cook on my Weber Q. You can catch them on my cooking channel, the Barbecue Walk of Flame. Subscribe by clicking the button and the bell, and I promise you, you won't miss a thing. Well, that's all for this time, so until the next time, it's goodbye from me and thanks for watching.